Today at Epic Party Team, we're going to show you how to properly place a linen onto a table. So this seems like a very simple thing, but there's a few pointers and tips that we want to point out. So once you have your linen off of the hanger, what you're going to want to do is kind of unfold the linen. I like to place it on top of the tabletop, and you kind of get it spread out and unfolded as such. So this is a 120-inch round. So this linen is made to drape to the ground on a 60-inch table. Spread it out like that. You can use the folds on the linen as kind of a guide for centering it. So once you have it all centered, you can see here, we have the lines on the linen. You walk around and you just make sure that all of the edges are evenly dispersed around the table to the ground. And now you are ready to place your chairs, place your dishes, and have a great event. So that's it. That's how to put a linen onto a folding table.